If you've never practiced with me before and you're curious about what to expect, this video will walk you through the basics. First, I'll guide you through a process for settling in and relaxation. Then, we'll talk about what to do when your mind becomes distracted. And finally, I'll give you a sense of how a full guided meditation may unfold. Now, let's begin. Whether you're sitting or lying down, take a moment to get comfortable. Somewhere you can be relaxed and undisturbed. Allow your body to feel supported by the surface beneath you. Let your hands rest comfortably, maybe on your lap or by your sides. Take a few more moments to settle in. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Now, bring your attention to the breath, allowing yourself to breathe in your own natural rhythm. Notice the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. Notice the temperature of the air as you inhale and exhale, relaxing deeper and deeper with each breath. Feel yourself becoming more at ease. Feel yourself becoming more centered. Feel yourself becoming more calm. As we continue, your mind might wander into thoughts, memories, or even the sounds around you. And that's okay. Simply bring your attention back to the breath and listen to the sound of my voice. Now, if a thought or emotion feels especially strong, allow yourself a moment to notice it and acknowledge that it's here. Recognize what is present, then bring your attention back to the breath and listen to the sound of my voice. Now, you may also notice physical sensations. You don't need to manage them or make them stop. Simply notice that they're part of the experience. Let them come and let them go. And once again, bring your attention back to the breath and listen to the sound of my voice. Keep returning to the breath as a steady point of reference. It is simply a place to rest your attention. As we continue, notice the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. Notice the temperature of the air as you inhale and exhale, relaxing deeper and deeper with each breath. What you've experienced up to this point really is the foundation of the practice. It is to notice the mind, notice when it's wandered, and gently bring your attention back to the breath, back to the present moment, back to the sound of my voice as I guide you through the meditation. Depending on the meditation, it may include visualization, reflection, affirmations, or simple awareness exercises. And once we've moved through the core of the practice, we begin shifting back into an awareness of the body, the room around us, and the sounds of our environment. Then I'll encourage you to open your eyes or lift your gaze, and then you'll continue with your day. And that's really it. Simple, grounded, nothing complicated. And with that in mind, I thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you again in our next practice.